In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create email signatures with profile photos using user information from the Google Workspace directory. First, navigate to the Automation section. Next, create a new group. Now, import employees from the Google Workspace integration. Here you can choose specific employees or import all of them. For this example, let's import all employees. And to create a signature with profile pictures, check the option Upload each user's profile picture. In the signature step, you'll connect an email signature to this group. And here's an important point. This signature must include the placeholders from the Google Workspace integration. If you already have a signature set up in your account, you can select it here. In our example, we'll use a pre-built template with the photo placeholder. Note that after this, the signatures are automatically created for employees with their respective profile photo.